Many pig farmers are working hard but still not making profits, and most of them don't even know why. What if I tell you that the pig breed you choose can either make you rich or quietly destroy your business? Oh yes, that statement is true, and I will explain to you. Welcome to Farm House. If you are planning to start pig farming, or you are already in it and you are struggling with slow growth, poor litter size, or low market value, this video is for you. Today, we will talk about pig breed and how your choice can make or mar your pig business. Many beginners buy piglets because they are cheap or they are available, not because they are suitable. But they don't know that the breed of your pigs determines the growth rate, determines the feed conversion, litter size, disease resistance, market demand, and others. If you get it wrong at this level, no amount of hard work will fix your mistake. Pig breed can make your business thrive and grow properly when you choose well. Example of pig breed that I recommend large white because large white pigs are popular for a reason. They grow fast, they produce good litter size, and have strong market demand. However, they require good feeding and management. What about landrace? Landrace pigs are excellent mothers. If your focus is breeding and piglet production, this breed can give you numbers, but only if management is top-notch. Duroc is known for a good meat quality and strong growth. It is best used for crossbreeding to improve performances. If you are a small-scale farmer, I don't recommend you having too much of Duroc on your farm because they are expensive. Local pigs are hardy and survive harsh conditions, but their growth rates and market value are usually low. Crossbreeds, when done properly, can combine survival ability and productivity together, but when done wrongly, they produce confused animals with no clear advantage. Your pig breed can destroy your business if you buy unknown breed or mixed breed, if you don't match breed to your feeding capacity, if you ignore climate and disease resistance, if you breed randomly without a plan. This is how many farmers stay busy but they are still poor. I always recommend before you buy pig, ask yourself, am I doing commercial meat production or breeding? Can I afford quality feed? Do I have proper housing and hygiene? What is my target market? These 4 questions are very important before you choose your breed. The right pig breed is the one that fits your system, not the one your neighbor is using. Pig farming success does not start in the pen, it starts with the knowledge. Choose the wrong pig breed and suffer for it. Choose right and pig farming become a profitable venture. If this video has helped you in any way, like, subscribe, and comment the pig breed you are currently raising or you plan to raise. Let's grow smarter farm together.